Hey everybody, Mrs. Howe here. I hope that this video finds you and your family and loved ones doing well, staying healthy, and hopefully getting along great during this special time that we're in. I wanted to send out a video instead of an email so that we would all have one less really long email from a teacher or a district or a principal that we have to read. Because goodness, those teachers are getting those long emails too. I just wanted to touch base with everybody and send some general information your way about what photography class is going to look like moving forward next week, answer some questions that I keep getting, and then we will have more information coming next week for you about how photography class is going to look moving forward. As far as right now, third quarter grades were posted today. I tried my best to take into consideration people who had been really sick, people who had been having computer issues or website issues or had been gone. So if you're somebody that on your grade you have an assignment that just isn't graded, it'll say not graded. And that was one of those special situations I took into consideration. Instead of giving you a 0 as a placeholder and bringing your grade down, I just didn't grade anything for you for that assignment if it was part of one of those special circumstances. Remember that my grades are a rolling grade. So for photography class, third quarter is really more just a checkpoint. Your final semester grade at the end of fourth quarter is not going to be an average of fourth quarter plus third quarter. So wherever you are right now with your grade, it can grow. So we are going to have lots of opportunities that we'll talk a little bit about today, talk about more in detail on Monday, to participate in photography lessons that you can turn in for credit that will raise your grade. Moving forward into, sorry, I keep cheating at my notes. Moving forward into fourth quarter, everyone has the opportunity to raise their grade. So whether you're at a D or an F, or if you're at a high B, low A, and you just want to raise your grade, you're more than welcome to. If you want to participate in these photography lessons just to keep yourself busy and from going insane, you're more than welcome to. That's why it's all here for you. There will be multiple photography lessons for you to choose from. So I'm not just going to give the same lesson out to everybody one lesson at a time. What you're going to do is have a list of lessons that you will get to choose your topic and what you participate in. So whatever sounds interesting to you or that you want to do and study and turn in for credit, it's your choice for this quarter. Some of you will be working on these assignments not by choice. That means they're required. You are the people that I will be contacting over the weekend and on Monday, letting you know that you and I need to get a path of success set up for you so that you can turn your frown upside down and get a better grade and get some credit for a photography class. I will be contacting those people individually. So if you do not get individual contact from me, I am not expecting you to have to raise your grade. It's up to you if you want to do that. Throughout the quarter, I will be hosting Zoom sessions. So if you haven't heard of Zoom, you need to. It's awesome. I've seen it all over social media. I just Zoomed a couple of my friends this morning for some coffee. It was really nice. So it is a great way for multiple people to get together at the same time. My goal is for each week to host a Zoom session. I'll send links out for those meetings every single week via email, and they'll be on my class blog as well. If you want to join, please do. It's just going to be a great time to get together, meet, say hi, have real live one-on-one FaceTime with each other. I will also be hosting Zoom sessions that are for photography class. Then I'll also be hosting Zoom sessions that are just fun. If you want to get together and learn how to do something new, or you have questions, or you want to throw me a topic of something that you would like for all of us to do when we're together, just so we can have some human interaction. I'm going to vary these so they won't always be photography. Eventually, hopefully, we'll get to about 2 Zoom sessions a week. One that's about photography, and then another one that's just for fun for people that want to meet up and chat with one another. So be on the lookout for those. If you're somebody that you are really struggling and you don't want to be a part of a class scenario with a Zoom session, I am more than happy to set up a one-on-one meeting with you via Zoom. So it would be more of a one-on-one tutor session if that's something that you want. If that is something that sounds good to you, please reach out to me and let me know so that you and I can work together on a time that we can get together and work and see each other. And then I will be sending out those meeting invitations to you so that we can get together. Make sure that you check the class blog. It's the same website we've been using all semester. It's the owphotographyclass.weebly.com. I put the link in the email that had this video too. So please make sure that you are checking the blog, if not daily, at least 2 to 3 times a week. All of your resources and updates and everything that you need will still be on there. That's going to be my main way of communicating with you. I'm trying not to overload everybody's email inboxes. There will be another video coming on Monday that I will cover more specific things starting next week. Those are going to be topics like, what will the assignments look like? What about my images that are at school? How are we even going to take pictures or edit pictures? How are we going to turn in our work? What is grading going to look like? I will cover all of that on a video that I will send out on Monday. It will go on the class blog for Monday's blog post, and it will also be sent home via email as well. So if you have any of those questions, please email them to me so that I can make sure to answer them to everybody. Remember, always ask. Chances are you're not the only one with that question. And I will make sure to answer those in my video that is coming Monday. So with that, I want to wrap this up and keep it short because I'm now rambling on. And I just really, really want to wish everybody well. This is such an interesting time. Lucky for us at West, we're already very tech savvy people. So I feel like this is something that our West family is going to be really good at accomplishing over the next couple weeks to finish out the quarter. Please stay patient. Hang in there. Be patient with your family. Be patient with your siblings. Be patient with your neighbors, your friends. Be patient with your internet, because my Wi-Fi has been going slow too. Just be patient. We're all in this together. We'll make it through. Everybody's struggling. If you're somebody that you need to reach out to me, please feel free to reach out to me at any time. You can send me an email. If you need me to call you, you can stick your phone number in the email and I'll give you a call. I'm here for you anytime that you need it. So with that, I'm going to sign off for now. I hope that you all stay safe, stay healthy, stay inside, stay home, and stay sane. That's the most important one. So I will talk to you all soon.